Hello and welcome to my channel. I am a small business creator and have been doing it for 45 years. This is a free small business that I have created just for you. Over the next few minutes in this video, I will tell you how to make easy money with free refrigerators. A free refrigerator can make you at least $150 to $300. I have picked up free refrigerators that have been posted for free on Craigslist and made easy money. Just search under the free heading. Contact the person listing it right away, because if you snooze, you lose. You can also post an ad under the wanted heading on Craigslist. Your ad should say, "Wanted free working refrigerator. We'll pick it up for free. Call, text me at 000-000-0000 or whatever. Be sure to bring a hand truck or dolly, rope, and maybe a friend to assist in moving the fridge, especially with the big double door refrigerators. You will need a pickup, a station wagon, a van, or a small utility trailer. If you don't have a vehicle, ask a friend who does. You can also ask the person giving it away if they can deliver it to your home. Often, people who are moving and need to get rid of the fridge fast may gladly deliver it to your home. You can also drive through neighborhoods in your town and look for free refrigerators and lots of other stuff, because free refrigerators are often parked right on the curb and you just have to back up to them and haul them off. But be sure to check with the owner to make sure that it works before you haul it off. Towns and cities with college campuses are excellent places to find free refrigerators parked on the curb, especially at the end of each semester. Also, check on other sites like Facebook Marketplace, where people post refrigerators for free. In addition to getting free refrigerators, you can charge people to haul off their refrigerators. I also charge a delivery fee when I sell a refrigerator when the buyer needs me to deliver it. Before you resell your refrigerator, be sure to clean it inside and outside. You will get a lot more money when selling a clean refrigerator. I use a long refrigerator coil brush. They're cheap. They're really good for cleaning dust off the cooling coils on the back and underside of the fridge. Because when the dust collects on the coils, it makes it harder for the refrigerator to work, and it will actually cause the refrigerator to overheat. So those coils need to be cleaned on a regular basis, and most people never do it. I usually use my small air compressor to just blow the dust off, which is a lot faster. Cleaning the inside of a fridge is probably the hardest part of this business, but the easy money makes up for it. As of 2024, I usually sell a standard single door top freezer fridge for $150 to $300. Now for the bigger double door refrigerators, it can be a lot more than that. Here are some cautions for you. When a buyer comes to purchase a fridge from you, let them load it and secure it whenever possible. And, very important here, get the money from them before they move it. A dropped refrigerator is worthless. After you move a fridge and lay it down on its side to haul it or move it in your vehicle, stand it upright and wait at least 24 hours before you plug it in so that the fridge isn't damaged. The fridge has fluid in it, which needs time to flow back to the coolant pot in the bottom of the fridge. And be sure to tell the buyers this also. Not everybody knows that. To avoid damaging the glass or plastic shelves and drawers in the fridge, remove them before you move the fridge for loading. This is especially important to do before you lay the fridge down on its side when transporting it, because you can literally break or crack the shelving in the refrigerator, and then it can be too expensive to replace those things. I also use rope. I also rope the door shut when moving and loading and unloading the fridge so that the doors or door doesn't fly open and get damaged. For white refrigerators, I use the commercial whiteout that you use for touching up your typing and stuff like that on your paperwork. And it works really good for small cosmetic nicks and scratches on white refrigerators. Colored permanent markers can also be used for touch-ups on colored refrigerators. If you get a dead or damaged refrigerator that you can't sell, you can still sell it for scrap or give it to a used appliance business who will often pick it up for free. And they may also pay you for it. Refrigerators have Freon in them, and a dump or landfill may charge you to take it off your hands. So if you're thinking that you're going to just take it to the dump and just dump it, be prepared that they may charge you for doing that, bringing the refrigerator to the dump. I use a cloth back brace to protect my back when moving refrigerators. I let my dolly do all the work though, all the hard work anyway. Although it has never happened to me, if you lose your grip on the fridge and you can't safely keep it from taking a dump, let it fall. Do not try to save it or break its fall. You could really hurt yourself. I actually saw two men moving a refrigerator at a garage sale, and they lost control of it, and it nearly crushed one of the two men. Now, before you do your show and tell, when your buyer comes to buy your fridge, plug it in and have it running so that it is cold when the buyer arrives. Then your buyer can see and hear that it is running and working. Be sure to plug in and test your fridge before you list it for sale. So this is a really easy and profitable way to make money from home compared to most work from home jobs I know of. And it's all profit. Be sure to check out my other free small businesses on my channel, HonestJohns FreeSmallBusiness. There's a link on my info page for a back brace, which I recommend that you use. There's also hand truck and platform dolly links for you. So have fun, make money, and have fun.